Finding a tiny, scared kitten hiding in a corner or behind a bush can melt anyone's heart. But taming a feral kitten is not always easy. It takes time, patience, and gentle care. Here is a simple guide to help you tame a feral kitten and turn it into a loving companion. Feral kittens are born outside and are scared of people because they do not know humans can be kind. So, the first thing you should do is slowly earn their trust. It is best to start when the kitten is 4 to 8 weeks old. At this age, they are still young and can learn to feel safe and loved by people. When you first see a feral kitten, never rush to grab it. That will only scare it more. Instead, offer food from a distance. Place a bowl of wet cat food or tuna nearby and step back. Let the kitten come to it on its own. Do this for a few days until the kitten starts to recognize you as someone who brings food. This step is important. It builds the first layer of trust. When the kitten starts to feel safe, sit quietly near it while it eats and speak softly. Slowly move the food bowl closer each day until it is comfortable eating near you. The next step is to bring the kitten inside, if possible. Keep them in a small, quiet room and only use a cage or carrier when necessary. Continue working with each kitten individually, focusing more on the shy ones. Set up a cozy space with a soft blanket, a small litter box, food, and water. Let the kitten explore at its own pace. Do not try to pet or hold it right away. Sit with it quietly for a few minutes each day so it gets used to your presence. You can also offer toys or treats to help build a positive bond. After a few days, gently try to touch the kitten with your hand or a soft towel. Start with light petting on the head or back. If the kitten gets scared, stop and try again later. Some kittens may warm up in a few days, while others can take weeks. Go slowly and follow the kitten's comfort. When the kitten feels more comfortable, try picking it up for a short time. Hold it close to your chest and speak softly. If it gets scared or tries to escape, gently put it down and try again later. Always be patient and gentle. When the kitten starts to trust you, let it meet other gentle people to get used to new faces and sounds. Also, take it to a vet for a health check, vaccines, and to plan spaying or neutering. This helps keep the kitten healthy and prevents more feral kittens. With time and patience, a wild kitten can become a loving pet, giving it a second chance at a happy life.